Elliott Trades back here. We changed up on the strategy. Well, still trading the same strategy, but I started trading it with a tick chart and more of a scalping approach. I took this different approach because it's more of you're trading the strategy correctly instead of trying to go for bigger swings. Trading the strategy like this has really helped out my mental focus also. It's a lot faster paced. Scalping in and out, 5-10 point stop losses, 20-30 point take profits. As you can see here, it's worked out for the past 2 weeks pretty well. I have 2 losing days. Friday was I went on tilt a little bit. I think I was down like 390 on the day, and then I made a great trade and I caught a decent win and I was up $10. So I locked out the account, called it a day. I took the blessing. Great. It's been a nice 2 weeks. I've really enjoyed how it's felt trading like this, going and scalping the markets. One thing that's really helped me this week is I put down my phone and I'm staring into the screen. The ultra wide's beautiful, man. I stare into it. I just sit here and I'm focused on trading, not focused on anything else, not watching my phone, playing my phone, nothing. Just focused on trading. My attention span is very nice with it too. I can sit there for a constant, good little bit. I try to wait until the market's kind of going into my favor too. Like, I'm not going to sit here and play my phone, watch the screen, wait for a setup. If I'm actually trading, I'm dialed in. Now, I will take breaks, walk away for a little bit, and come back. I've found that to be very helpful too. Another thing I'll be implementing this week. I've been watching this video. I think his name is Randy Howell. My mentor actually sent it to the group. He touches base on breathing while trading. Yes, you actually have to breathe. No, but on a real note, whenever I am getting in trades, I feel my heart rate kind of elevating. That that adrenaline kind of kicks in. It's really not good, and I find myself holding my breath. Like, I remember doing this, and one of the key points in that video is that he says set an alarm for every 10 to 15 minutes to check in, remember to breathe. And that's kind of a big thing. So I'm going to try that this week. I'm going to try to take more relaxing, deep breaths. Things that I've actually learned in the past, I've been to therapy before, is breathing techniques. So I never really thought to implement that in trading for decision making and, keeping in check, staying calm and all that. So I'm going to try to implement that more this week. But other than that, I think I'm trying to dig this account out the hole. We were pretty negative. I think now we're at like 210, negative 210 or something. I'll post it right here. This is the account balance of starting this week. I am going to size up this week. That was the plan. I've been trading 1, 2, 3 micros. I'm going to allow myself to go up to 6 or 5. I might do 5. I'm not really that comfortable with 6 yet. I guess it really depends on the trade. The bigger setups I will try to size up more on to give, the more A+. I know I should only be taking A+, but I have been more of an aggressive trader. Scalping a lot. I just love doing it, man. I love getting in and out, in and out. I've been catching trades. I mean, literally my stop loss is 2 points, 3 points. I've been catching the bottom wicks of the 1 minute. I think I have some screenshots. If I do, I'll send some right here. I'm pretty sure I screenshotted it, throw it in the group. I'll post those right here. Just maybe a couple of them if I have them. I'm not positive, but entries have been amazing. I've been catching like 1 to 5 RRs, 1 to 10, stuff like that. But with the strategy that I have, the pinpoint accuracy on the actual entries is really great. And using the 300 tick chart, it gives you that really early entry on even the 1 minute candle. Because sometimes that 300 ticks, it's only like 10 seconds, 20 seconds maybe. Sometimes it's a minute. Like at night, the market doesn't move that much, and I hate trading it because of that. So I stopped trading the night market. I only trade the New York session and AM session from like 7. New York opens at 9:30 for me, so I trade from 8:30 to 3 p.m. usually. I'll take a break for lunch, and another thing in the video he implemented is to take, every hour, take a 10-minute breather. Just take a break. Make sure you're still focused. Make sure you still have the mind power to trade. So once you start losing that focus, losing the ability, you feel yourself, your cognitive starting to fade. You really need to take a break or even just stop trading for the day. I'm feeling really good about going into this week. The biggest thing I'm going to implement this week is breathing, check-ins every 10 or 15 minutes, and a break every hour. And I'm going to set alarms for that. And if the market, depends where the market is, I might not take a break exactly at that hour if I see a setup forming, but I'm going to try to walk away, take a 10-minute break, just walk outside, walk around the yard, do something. Also with the live trades, I have tried recording some live trades, but I found myself wanting to push out the profit, so it has been a little bit more difficult. With that, though, I kind of started like recording the entire day, and the file size was too big, like to edit and all that. So I'm trying to figure out key binds and all that to so I can record some live trades. Also, I've been really wanting to go live here on YouTube and just kind of chill out, play some games, talk, yada yada. I think I'm going to start doing that too. Not always trading related stuff, just, have fun, talk a little bit. But yeah, here's an update. We're going into week 2 on this strategy that I've been trading for 2 years, but I haven't been trading it correctly. I've started trading it more correctly. I already know how to trade it. I've been rewatching the courses and all that, so let's see how this goes. Hopefully I'll drop another video this week, maybe Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm not doing daily uploads. It's too much trying to trade, do this, do that, and upload a video every day. I just can't. Too much time. So a couple videos a week, 1 or 2 here and there, But yeah, peace.